Female. Yeah. Wow.
Hey! This is the cashew tree.
My name is Boloy. I was born here in Nido. So I am here just for guide. For guide here in the waterfalls. We're gonna go into the waterfalls now. Our waterfalls is not a strong one because now it's going to dry season. So we have a water, but it's not too much. But we can enjoy it. We can swim in it. Thank you.
Nice. Okay. So and what's the waterfall called?
Nagkalit-Kalit.
What's it called?
Nagkalit-Kalit Waterfalls.
Nagkalit-Kalit Waterfalls.
Yeah, is it Nag?
What is the dog trying to hunt? He's looking for what? Monkeys, fish?
Yeah, monkeys, fish.
Really?
Yeah, fish.
Oh wow.
But it's not a big one.
Small one, huh?
Small.
How old is he?
The fish?
The dog.
Maybe
2 years?
no, 2 years. Yeah, maybe 2 years.
Do you know these people? Hello.
Hello.
Oi, hoi, hoi. Hoi, hoi. Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Mga local people.
Local people, huh? Water's cold. Cold. It's refreshing. Where you at?
The lake.
Amo. Yeah, 1 second, huh? Yo, sis, where you at? We have someone who's very, very fast, but it's not me and you. It is my sister, you know. She's the fastest. Careful, slippery, sis. Wow. Dogs are happy. The dogs are happy. Wait, is that a fruit?
Here is cashew.
Cashew fruit. Cashew tree.
Cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts.
Yeah. Here's one.
Wow.
Now it's just one of
This is it, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. This is cashew tree. Wow. I have one. Well, I've seen one before, but I've seen only a plant, not a tree. Looks very nice. Oh, there's big ones on top. There's huge ones. Fresh cashew, guys. Vegan only.
Here.
Oh yeah, here it is.
See?
Yeah. Hey!
Cashew.
This is the cashew tree. All right, can you open it?
Sure.
Shows the whole thing.
Yes.
Oh, it looks like a cashew on the top. Okay, that's a seed. Which one is it? It's inside this one.
That's you can eat it. That's it. Yeah.
We can eat this?
Yeah. But
Oh, this is the
one-
cashew.
No, yeah. This is the nuts.
All right,
But this one is not allowed for it.
but we can break it?
Yeah, but we don't have some.
Rocks,
knife.
rocks,
Yeah.
anything.
Mhm.
Okay, how can we eat this?
I just bite it.
Try it first.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Does it have poison or drugs or no, anything? Cashew fruit.
There's a nice taste, but it dries the mouth. It dries the palate quickly.
Really?
Yeah. It's really good.
Mmm. Mmm. Dry and juicy. Wow.
Like wine.
Yeah, like wine. But I don't drink wine. Used to. If you're gonna throw it, give it to me. More. More.
In the top of that.
You want me to go up? It's really good, no?
It dries the mouth.
Yeah, but the flavor. This is the first time you're having
It's really good.
you're having a cashew fruit. First time in your life.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
That's an accomplishment. If you're gonna throw it, give it to me. Don't throw it.
No.
You're not gonna throw it, huh? Nah. You like it then. But we cannot eat those.
Here, no.
No.
Maybe we have this in the top. Here we have.
Where's the big ones? Wait. Go. Woo! Woo! Bring it. Bring it.
Okay.
Oppa! There you go. Oh, it broke.
That's broke already.
Alright, here's another one. Boom. And then? Let's eat it? Oh, look at the juice. Wow.
Very juicy.
This is the first of cashew fruit. You guys, I can't express the feeling.
Other one?
Oh, honey.
Mmm. Wow. Mmm. One more.
One more?
Last one.
This.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so
Can you take it out?
sure.
This is the freshest cashew in the world probably right now. Wow. Imagine all this fruit only for one cashew. I think that's why it's expensive.
Don't write it. We just move this.
The skin, huh?
Yeah, skin.
Alright. You be the first one to taste it.
Me?
Yes. Give us your opinion. How did it taste like?
Tastes really raw.
Really? Really raw.
Really raw, but it's nice.
Can you taste the cashew flavor? Or like a nut?
Yeah. We're usually used to the salted flavor.
This one
Not
you
bad.
can make like this.
You can make what?
Yeah.
This is
You
it.
can do like this.
Mmm. The strong almond cashew flavor. Right?
Try it.
What is that? Oh, the same one?
Yeah, this.
Okay, let's see it. Mmm. Sweeter than mango.
One more.
Sweeter than mango. But
Yeah,
more dry than. So this is traditional Philippines to eat as
Yeah.
a fruit.
like this.
Wow. And then you don't have to cut it, peel it just as it is. Eat it right away. And it's very nutritious.
Right.
Wow. It's really sweet, like mango,
Yeah, like mango, yeah.
and there's no seed inside.
Yeah, right. Like a wine.
So this is your house.
Yeah, there's my house.
Wow, bro. Very simple. Oh, there's a chicken.
Yeah, that's wild chicken.
For fight, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're still in the deep forest. We're going uphill, and gotta tell you, this is not easy. I feel like you need to be really equipped for this, mentally mostly, and physically. Hey little fella, how you doing? We made it. Wow, not too much water though. Wow. All this for that. That is so cool. I love it. Can we swim inside? No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,